welcome once again to Tsarevin's Russian Survival Guide. I'm your host, Maya Krivchenia, and today I would like to tell you a little bit about some of the traditions we have here in Russia around the New Year's holidays. New Year's is a wonderful holiday that we celebrate almost for a week, and we share it with family and friends. In my opinion as an American, I would say New Year's in St. Petersburg is like 5 holidays rolled into one. First, we have Halloween. Well, not here in St. Petersburg, but the children here on New Year's dress up in all sorts of different costumes. For example, one year my daughter was a bunny rabbit. And then we also have something sort of like Thanksgiving, where family gets together and we just eat a lot. Very important part. Of course, there's also the present-giving tradition that we have in America on Christmas Day. Now, this tradition here, our presents don't come from Santa Claus, but they come from Ded Moroz and his granddaughter Snegurочка. And the last holiday I would figure is combined into here is something sort of like, I don't know, maybe a festive celebration with lots of fireworks. You might think 4th of July, big, huge fireworks. Well, we do that on New Year's Eve. Of course, we decorate trees in our windows and we hang snowflakes as well. Is decorated with lights all over the place. Fountains are decorated, buildings are decorated. It turns into a magical winter wonderland, a wonderful place to walk around during the day or the evenings. Traditionally, on New Year's Eve, 5 minutes before the bell chimes 12 times, people turn into a broadcast from the Red Square. The President of Russia gives a small speech to the people in wishing them a Happy New Year. So traditionally in Russia, the party continues after the clock strikes 12. Usually in the States, the crystal ball drops on Times Square and in 15 minutes everybody's already back in bed, ready to start the next day of work. Here in St. Petersburg, the party has just begun. Unlike in the US and many European countries, Christmas doesn't occur on the 25th of December, but here it occurs on the 6th and 7th of January. So for us here in St. Petersburg, our holidays began at the 31st of December and continue all the way to January 7th. Nobody's working and everybody's enjoying the beautiful winter weather. So although Russia's holiday traditions might be a little bit different, we all still enjoy good fun with our family and friends during this wonderful celebratory time of the year. If you have the opportunity to visit Russia during the holiday season, it is an exciting time to come and visit our unique Russian traditions.